If you are in sustainability, you're worrying about how your organization stores their invoices. If you're done with the mundane work of like changing emission factors, managing emission factors in general, the features that we are going to be talking about is going to be really exciting for you too. Welcome to NetNada's April updates. I'm here with Carlos, product lead.
Hello everyone, I'm here with Bala, ML and AI software engineer.
In this April update, we have two very exciting features to show you guys. First things first, the multi-node invoice upload.
Yeah.
It's really cool because, well, to explain firstly, really quickly, nodes, we're referring to your organization's facilities, businesses, or any kind of structure that you operate in. It gets translated into a node structure within NetNada. And what we have realized in the recent few months is by onboarding big clients with complex node structures, we often come across this problem of, hey, we have a lot of invoices and it's not organized. And I am spending a lot of time categorizing this and then putting it into your app. Is that a smart way to, just dump the invoices and then for our app to do that mundane work? And that's basically what this feature is about. We can now take invoices of your emissions data, and it could be from any facility, any region, or whatever your organizational structure is. As long as it's there inside our app, we are able to process those invoices without any other effort or data from you, and then categorize it into where it belongs. So the whole flow just becomes, you're uploading it, we map it, we process the data, and we store the data to you reviewing it, and then it's there within our app, which is really cool.
Yeah, I agree. It's a really, really cool feature. I think it's a massive time saver for all our users. And then regarding, we know now, what's gonna add for the clients is gonna be way easier, way faster. But regarding the technical challenges that you faced when you were developing this feature, would you have anything to highlight, any point?
Yeah, because this feature required a lot of thinking in terms of the core solution and the architect that belongs behind the solution, right? Because we are fundamentally changing the way we are processing the files compared to how we used to do it before.
Yeah.
So that required a lot of initial planning because we really wanted to have that seamless user flow. And I think one of the most interesting, and when I say interesting, so challenging aspect of this feature was the node categorization, so the automatic node categorization. We realized that your invoices will have metadata which links to your facility or business region. For example, it could be your address, your ABN, or your business registration number.
Yeah.
Exactly. So we're extracting this information as well to make that informed decision of basically choosing where does this invoice belong. And in order for us to do that, I would say consistently was where I think we had to really make sure that we're achieving that.
Yeah, I agree. Those are the two main technical challenges that we faced: being able to extract and categorize the files by node, and then being able to do all the huge backend work to restructure all the architecture. Are we gonna show to our viewers the new feature?
Absolutely. So here in data uploader, page where I'm gonna choose, let's say, electricity invoices. This is the new UI where you can obviously still choose to do the old-fashioned way. So we preserve the single entity upload where you can choose your node on purpose and just upload it. But for now, we're gonna go to the multi-node and then press continue.
So this is the main area where we are going to be uploading all the files. We will dump files no matter which is the location, which is the node, etc. with each year, just as long as they are all regarding electricity in this case.
Yeah, and just like that, once you have submitted it, we've uploaded it instantly. And you can always track the process that's running behind asynchronously. So once you've uploaded it, you can walk away and you can come back and it'll all be done for
Yeah,
you.
we have developed all this UI area for this specific reason and task. So here we will be able to watch the different, we are calling batch. So we are uploading many files in a batch.
Yeah.
We let the user name the batch as they want. Here we already gave a specific and automatic name, but you will be able to name it as you want, so you can remember better like where is the file that you just uploaded. And then here you will see from that batch the status of all the different files that you just uploaded. So what data has been extracted, and you will also be able to see which is a node that has been categorized to.
Yeah. And so once you have a file which is ready and you have like selected all the files that you've uploaded to be marked ready, you can submit those files and then you can just watch them go back to our system and then go into the calculators, and then it's going to calculate and turn into, reliable data for you to report on.
So the second release for this sprint is an improvement on how we have been allowing the users to change the emission factors from which they have been assigned the data, and we have calculated the emissions. We have always allowed this to happen in the app, but now we have improved this to be able to have more safety, I would say, more auditability, and also to make it simple with a new UI where you can select the new emission factor. So there are like multiple changes that have been done with these three objectives in mind.
Are we joining the CS meeting?
Yeah, we should join now. We can leave it for later, or what?
Do we want to just do this quickly and then back that up?
Yeah.
You in a roll?
Yeah, we finish later.
But is this good?
I think the first